Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to manage orders, production, and stock movements all from a single screen using Skala. If you've ever struggled with tracking orders or planning production, you're going to love this. So let's dive right in. On the order screen, we can check the status of all orders. If we go to the detailed list, we can see more information, like the customer and the specific products in the order. As you can see, orders are in different states. For example, looking at order SO5, we can see that both raw materials and finished products are out of stock. Production hasn't started yet, delivery is still pending, and invoicing hasn't been done either. Now if we go to the planning screen from the top menu, we get a clear overview of all open orders, the required products, and how much we need to produce. This makes managing everything super easy. From here, we can quickly create a work order by clicking the Produce button. Let's take a look at stock movements. Here we can see that for product 1, we need to produce 10 units for order SO5. Let's go ahead and click the Produce button. The work order screen now pops up with all the details automatically filled in. We can make any necessary adjustments and then click Save. Once saved, we can go to the work order screen from the top menu and we'll see that the work order has been created. If we go back to the planning screen, we can also see a list of all the raw materials needed to complete this work order. From here, we can quickly place a purchase order for any missing materials. Let's go to the buy screen and complete the purchase. Once those materials are delivered, we can check the work order screen again and see that the raw materials are now in stock. So we can proceed with production. Let's mark the production status as completed and go back to the order screen. Now we can update the delivery status to delivered. So to sum it up, Scala makes it super easy to manage everything from a single screen. And that's it. As you saw, with just a few clicks, we can track orders, create work orders, manage stock, and complete deliveries, all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell